We always apply a bandage or a tourniquet as quickly as possible. It is more efficient. Then we tie it. Next, we write the time on the forehead, not on the note because it may get lost.
Instead of the usual prayer book, Hennady holds a tourniquet and a bandage in his hands. He assures that the priest at the front line has to save not just the soul but also the body. Therefore, tactical medicine is the first thing that the military chaplain must learn.
I
recorded on the video to see how to act in case of avulsion during hostilities. The instructors showed everything very clearly and very professionally. This is an invaluable experience to demonstrate how to assist in saving the life of a soldier.
Chaplains are not taught to shoot on the range because it is prohibited by their rank. However, they have to know how infantry fighting vehicles work and what to do in case of an enemy attack. This way they can preserve themselves and not interfere with the soldiers during the task performance.
Our military chaplains are all in combat brigades. They stay with the soldiers on the front line, everywhere the soldiers need them the most, where soldiers face difficulties and where spiritual support is needed the most.
Ihor has been a military chaplain for 4 years. At first, he was on the front line as a volunteer. Then, starting in 2018, he became a regular serviceman. He helped soldiers spiritually in Mariinka, Krasnohorivka, and Shastia. There, during his vacation, the chaplain served military liturgy and prayers in portable chapels. This, according to Ihor, greatly boosts the spirit of the military.
Presence of a chaplain on the front line motivates soldiers, and motivated soldiers are the strongest. Spiritual support, relief, and the word of God helps a lot. The troops are always pleased to hear it.
Military chaplains were also trained how to defuse hidden explosive devices and how to recognize them, as to not trigger landmines in the field.
This mine is designed to be placed in areas against enemy manpower. It's a fragmentation type mine weighing 5 kilograms. The explosive charge is 660 grams of TNT.
Bukol has been serving on the front line since 2017. He was the spiritual mentor of the 72nd Separate Mechanized Brigade during heavy fighting in the Avdiivka industrial zone. The soldiers of the brigade managed to force pro-Russian troops to withdraw from the Almaz position in the gray zone.
Here we get basic knowledge for survival, as well as to help our friends nearby. We help soldiers spiritually, and they help us survive.
In total, there are 127 regular chaplains in the armed forces of Ukraine. These gatherings for military priests are being organized at the Yavoriv training ground for the 3rd time. After the training, each chaplain will return to his brigade serving in eastern Ukraine in order to continue to support their fellow combatants. Reported by Yulia Bil, UATV.